Here's a street rod to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. And this one is a sweetheart. 1941 Ford pickup that's been street rodded. Crate 350 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, heat, AC. Heat blows hot, AC blows cold. Riding on a TCI chassis, and let's take a look at this front bright work. The bumper, headlight, surround, center of the grille. Aquarius blue is the color on this vehicle, and you can see that paint. It looks as good in person and video and pictures, all the same. It's beautiful. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll see the truck from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, bed. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. Riding on the steel wheels, Ford center caps, beauty rings, wide white wall radials. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, chips, anything like that. I did actually notice there is a little bit of that kind of like 3M type protective coating that's clear. It's really tough to see it on the front of this one, and that's why you don't see a bunch of nicks, chips, dents from pebbles or stones, a little bit of road debris. All right, bed of this truck, just as good as the rest of it. Look at that, nice oak bed, stainless, fuel door, custom trunk. There is a car cover in there, a truck cover. We will send that with it. This is a steel body, glass fender and boards. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see some custom pin striping all the way around this truck, from the tailgate down the bed sides, and of course up on the cab and the hood. Has that custom louvered hood. If you like these early Ford trucks, say early 40s, late 30s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online right off our showroom floor. This one is a head turner, folks. There's no doubt this thing won't bring home some trophies. Hey, look at this. Door handles, Ford guys. 34 Ford door handles. Interior, just as nice as the exterior. There's a few things I'm going to go over with you. So, here's a little lever. You push this forward. Seat's back's going to lean forward. Right down here behind the seat, there's a toggle switch you can push down again, push down. That's on and off for a battery disconnect. So there's a hidden battery disconnect. That's where it is, and it's a toggle switch that you can push down. All right, let me get the seat back, straight back again. All right, tilt the column. You can see that. Looks like I did it. Grant steering wheel, kind of banjo style. Great look in this truck. Polished gauge trim pieces. AC controls, and we have some pulls right here. These are not push buttons, these are pulls. I'm going to get to that in just a second. Underneath, right here, is dash lights or interior light, I should say. This right here is cooling fan, electric fan. As far as lights go, we want to, this one here is your lights. So parking lights all the way in. This one here, that's your ignition. There's no key. There's no key slot, there's no key hole. So in other words, there's no key. This just comes out to where it's at now. That is like turning your key on to accessories. Pull it the rest of the way. That starts it. All right. Water temp, that was a cold start. Voltmeter, as you can see, speedo, fuel gauge, and oil pressure. VDO gauges, a little more custom pinstriping in here. In the glove box, there is a remote control, as you can see that. Let's see if we can get it to come up here. There's a stereo underneath the seat. I don't know if I have it on. I can reach down and also probably turn it. If I find the knob, you can see speakers up front.
Choose pickup with click and collect, small order shipping, and more. Go to IKEA.com today.
My name is Dustin. I'm the head designer for Cody.
Right below the seat, driver's side. Obviously for sliding the seat back and forth. How that door closes. And let's listen. Not only does it look good, it sounds good. Hood release. Passenger side under the dash. Right here. It's gonna be your hood release. So, let me go ahead and pause this. I'm gonna get this hood popped open and we're gonna check out this engine bay, because that looks just as good as this truck, if not better. All right, underside of the hood, so finished off as nicely as the rest of the truck. And look at this. So aluminum radiator, polish and bright work and chrome underneath here. Look at the attention to detail. Serpentine belt system. Edelbrock, looks like Performer RPM intake manifold. Edelbrock 4-barrel. HEI ignition. Headers. Valve covers painted to match the exterior. Look at that. Definitely have the hood open at a car show with this one. I told you it's a beauty, folks. Look through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. 1941 Ford pickup, street rotted. Number to call 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1941 Ford pickup truck in a very cool blue, kind of almost turquoise blue. Great looking wood and chrome in the bed. The interior is well done. Aluminum. Got some wood on the steering wheel. Stereo works. The blower motor is also working on this truck. Nice. Probably vinyl. It looks kind of leather-like. Bucket seat in this truck. Matching door panels. It's all very well done. And early 40s Fords, some of the best styling there is, especially on Fords in my opinion. Very nice acceleration. We're up to the speed limit quickly. This is an automatic with a push button top, even though it looks like a stick on the floor. Volts are charging over 14. The water temperature is coming up on a quarter of the way up the gauge. Fuel gauge is showing clear full, and the oil pressure was right at 60, so that all looks good. Unique starting features. Find the hidden switch, turn it on, and just pull this halfway, pull it out, let it go, and you're started. Down below the dash, vintage looking tachometer that also matches the VDO gauges in the dash. All that working very well. Beautiful pinstripe work. Detail that goes into that is always impressive. Nice road feel in this truck. Corners nice and flat. Again, it's not that heavy of a vehicle, and now we've got V8 power, so it's fun to push the throttle down. Looking good, catching lots of eyes in this 1941 Ford pickup truck. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.